Imagine your thoughts reaching out, not through spoken words or physical gestures, but directly from your mind. Controlling a computer or robotic arm with the sheer power of your thoughts, a seamless connection between intention and action. No words, no movement needed. Just the pure, unfiltered command of your brain translating into real-world actions. This is the promise of a technology that could revolutionize how we interact with the world around us. This is the reality of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, a field that's rapidly evolving from science fiction into tangible reality. BCIs represent a direct bridge between your brain's complex electrical signals and the digital world, offering a new paradigm for communication and control. BCIs work by decoding the brain's intricate activity patterns and translating them into specific commands that machines can understand and execute. This involves sophisticated algorithms and advanced signal processing techniques. This technology holds immense potential for individuals with paralysis or other motor impairments, bypassing damaged nerves and muscles to restore lost function. For someone paralyzed, a BCI could mean regaining the ability to control a prosthetic limb with remarkable precision and dexterity, offering a new level of independence. Imagine the freedom of typing an email or composing a message simply by thinking about the words, a seamless flow of thoughts onto the screen. For the blind, BCIs offer the tantalizing possibility of seeing flashes of light, rudimentary shapes, potentially restoring a meaningful sense of vision and spatial awareness, opening up a world previously shrouded in darkness. But BCIs are not just about restoring lost abilities. Their potential extends far beyond medical applications. They're also powerful tools for exploring the brain's deepest mysteries, unraveling the complexities of consciousness and mapping the neural pathways that govern our thoughts and emotions. BCIs are unlocking new ways to interact with technology, paving the way for intuitive interfaces and seamless integration between humans and machines. As we continue to develop these silent conversations between mind and machine, refining the accuracy and reliability of neural decoding, we're fundamentally redefining what it means to be human, blurring the lines between biology and technology, and opening up new possibilities for human enhancement. The journey is just beginning, filled with both excitement and ethical considerations, promising to transform lives, expand human potential, and reshape our understanding of ourselves. The story of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, is a fascinating journey that spans nearly a century. It's a story of relentless curiosity, groundbreaking discoveries, and the unwavering pursuit of connecting the human brain directly to the external world. It all began in 1924, when Hans Berger, a German neuroscientist, made a monumental breakthrough. He was the first to successfully record the electrical activity of the human brain. Using a technique called electroencephalography, or EEG, Berger revealed the brain's hidden signals, capturing the subtle electrical fluctuations that underpin our thoughts and actions. This was a pivotal moment, opening a window into the inner workings of the mind. For decades, these EEG signals were primarily used in the medical field for diagnostic purposes. Doctors relied on them to identify and understand various neurological conditions, such as epilepsy, sleep disorders, and brain tumors. However, the potential for these brain signals to do more than just diagnose was brewing. In the 1970s, Jacques Vidal, a computer scientist, coined the term brain-computer interface, giving a name to this emerging field. Vidal's pioneering work demonstrated that people could indeed learn to control a computer cursor using only their thoughts. This was a revolutionary concept, suggesting a direct pathway for the brain to interact with technology. The field continued to advance, and by the late 1980s, BCIs had progressed to the point where they could command robots. This was a significant milestone, proving that brainwaves could be translated into real-world actions, effectively controlling the physical world through neural signals. Animal studies, particularly those conducted with monkeys, played a crucial role in paving the way for human applications. These studies provided invaluable insights into the safety and efficacy of implantable BCIs, ultimately leading to the first human implants in the 1990s. Each breakthrough in BCI technology built upon the last, creating a snowball effect of innovation. From Berger's initial discovery of alpha waves to Vidal's demonstration of cursor control, each step forward expanded the possibilities of what BCIs could achieve. This accelerating pace of innovation continues to drive the field forward. Major initiatives, such as the US Brain Initiative and similar programs around the world, have provided significant funding and resources, fueling rapid progress in BCI research and development. Today, BCIs are rapidly transitioning from the realm of science fiction into a life-changing reality for individuals with paralysis, amputations, and other debilitating conditions. The history of BCI is not just a story of technological advancement. It is a testament to our innate human drive to overcome limitations, push the boundaries of what's possible, and ultimately, to better understand ourselves and the very nature of consciousness. BCIs are restoring senses once thought lost. The cochlear implant, a type of BCI, has given hearing to hundreds of thousands by bypassing damaged inner ears and stimulating the auditory nerve. Now, researchers are developing visual prosthetics, retinal and cortical implants to help the blind see. Cameras capture images, which are converted into electrical signals sent to the brain's visual cortex. Users don't see as before. Instead, they perceive flashes of light, learning to interpret shapes and objects. Increasing the number of electrodes in these implants promises higher resolution vision. For those in darkness or silence, BCIs offer a life-changing reconnection to the world. As technology advances, the quality of restored senses will only improve. For people with paralysis, everyday tasks can present monumental challenges. Simple actions that many take for granted, like reaching for a glass of water or even scratching an itch, become nearly impossible. The limitations imposed by paralysis can significantly impact quality of life, affecting everything from personal independence to social interaction. But now, brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, offer a revolutionary solution. These sophisticated systems create a new pathway from brain to machine, a direct communication link that bypasses the traditional routes of nerves and muscles. This opens up incredible possibilities for restoring lost function and empowering individuals with paralysis. The core principle behind BCIs is to circumvent the physical barriers caused by damaged nerves. Whether the damage stems from spinal cord injuries, strokes, or other neurological conditions, BCIs offer a way to bypass these broken connections and directly translate brain activity into external actions. The process begins with the implantation of microelectrodes, typically in the motor cortex, the area of the brain responsible for planning and executing movements. These tiny sensors are designed to pick up movement intentions, capturing the electrical signals generated by neurons as you think about moving. These signals are then fed into sophisticated computer algorithms, which decode the complex patterns of brain activity and translate them into commands that can control external devices, such as robotic limbs. This allows users to directly manipulate their environment with their thoughts. A pivotal moment in BCI history came in 2005, when Matt Nagel, paralyzed from the neck down due to a spinal cord injury, became the first person to receive a brain implant for controlling external devices. Through this groundbreaking technology, Matt was able to use a BCI to move a robotic hand with his thoughts, demonstrating the incredible potential of this approach. He could perform simple tasks like grasping objects and even playing a basic video game. Since Matt's pioneering experience, BCIs have advanced significantly. Modern BCIs now allow for smoother, more natural movements, offering a level of control that was previously unimaginable. The robotic limbs respond more intuitively to the user's intentions. Furthermore, some BCIs are now incorporating sensory feedback, allowing users to experience tactile sensations, making prosthetics feel more like real limbs, and enhancing the sense of embodiment. Beyond controlling external devices, some systems use BCIs to stimulate a person's own muscles, a technique known as functional electrical stimulation, FES. This approach restores movement by directly activating the muscles that have been paralyzed, offering a pathway to regain natural motor control through electrical stimulation. The development of BCIs has relied heavily on animal research, especially with monkeys, which share many similarities with humans in terms of brain structure and function. These studies have been crucial for refining these technologies, optimizing algorithms, and ensuring the safety and efficacy of BCI systems before they can be used in human trials. As BCIs continue to evolve, these advances offer unprecedented hope, a beacon of possibility for individuals living with paralysis. They promise a future where individuals can regain independence and mobility, participating more fully in life and achieving a greater sense of self-determination. The power to move with a thought, once a distant dream, is now a tangible reality, offering a new lease on life for those who have lost the ability to move on their own. BCIs are not just technological marvels. They are transforming lives, restoring dignity, and empowering individuals to overcome the limitations of paralysis. With each advancement, BCIs are bringing us closer to a future where paralysis no longer defines a person's potential, one movement at a time. For those unable to speak or move, BCIs are breaking the silence. Early systems let users spell words by focusing on flashing letters, but progress was slow. Recent breakthroughs decode imagined handwriting or even intended speech directly from brain signals. In 2023, BCIs translated thoughts into speech at nearly conversational speeds. These advances restore not just communication, but a sense of self and connection. For people trapped in silence, BCIs offer a lifeline to the world. The future promises even faster, more natural communication through thought alone. BCIs aren't just for hospitals. Non-invasive devices are now available as headsets and toys. These use EEG sensors on the scalp to pick up brainwaves, enabling mind-controlled games, drones, and apps for focus or meditation. Consumer BCIs make brainwave technology accessible and fun, letting anyone experiment with mind control. Affordable headsets and open-source tools are democratizing neuroscience research. Students and hobbyists can now build their own BCIs, exploring creativity and new assistive tech. Devices like the PEG for Raspberry Pi put BCI development within reach for all. This explosion of low-cost BCIs is sparking innovation worldwide. The brain's secrets are now open to everyone. Direct brain-to-brain communication, once science fiction, is becoming reality. In animal studies, researchers linked two rats' brains, allowing one to transmit information to the other. Human experiments have used EEG and magnetic pulses to send simple commands from one person's brain to another's body. Brain nets let groups collaborate on tasks using pooled brain activity. These early steps hint at silent high-speed communication and new forms of collaboration. Brain-to-brain links challenge our ideas of individuality and connection. The technology is still young, but its potential is vast. We're only beginning to explore what it means to connect minds directly. As BCIs advance, ethical questions grow. Safety is paramount, especially for invasive devices. Risks include infection and long-term effects. Privacy is critical. Brain data is deeply personal. Who owns it? How is it protected from hacking or misuse? BCIs could widen social inequality if only the wealthy can access enhancements. Augmenting memory or focus raises questions about fairness and identity. Could BCIs change who we are or alter our moods and memories? Open dialogue among scientists, ethicists, and the public is essential. Responsible development will ensure BCIs benefit everyone, not just a few. The future of BCIs is bright and full of promise. Safer, more powerful, and less invasive devices are on the horizon, like flexible implants and the stentrode. BCIs could help patients in comas communicate, revealing hidden awareness. Long-term BCIs may augment human abilities, learning skills instantly or controlling smart homes with thought. This symbiosis with AI could unlock new creativity and problem-solving. The journey is about transcending limitations and enhancing human connection. Challenges remain, but the potential for a better quality of life is immense. With each discovery, the line between mind and machine blurs, opening new worlds of possibility.